November pulp, maidens lay bare, and then past these ancient lights with the force of the night for signs of life. Right over their lies are moments. Outlined right up the corner by these methane walls. I can't see it all, but I don't mind. It's just a little brain freeze, a buckle of the knees. Here we'll keep on dancing and drifting through Jupiter. Fond of war, the bad, we're a little mixed up on a pale blue dot. So why not join me on the balcony of the eastern gates for make our escape, and then past gravity we'll pay 'em off and bow like cloth, which you ride. Wish you noise, my God loathes silence. Eclectic curtains on, got my icy moons all aligned right up, coated by these methane walls. I can't see it all, but I don't mind. It's just a little brain phase, a buckle of the knees. You will keep on dancing.